Alright guys, so for today's video, we're gonna, well, not I'm gonna be eating hot stuff, even though it might not be that hot, but to me it's hot because I have a low heat tolerance. Yes, I think that's what it's called. I have a low heat tolerance. Alright, so first off, we're gonna start with ramen noodles and the spicy kind, because no, it's spicy. Whatever. So the first one is hot and spicy flavor with shrimp. Never had this one because your boy don't eat no ramen noodles. Alright guys, so changing plans. I noticed this one had no water in it because I'm an idiot and spilled it. But it's okay, and it's like super cold now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. This one is gonna be sriracha chicken, which I don't know what that is, but it had a little spicy thing on it, so I got it. Oh damn. Okay. It tastes like nothing. Wow. That was a disappointment. On to the next one. So we're back with the other one. And this one is hot and spicy with shrimp. I want to get a piece of shrimp with this. And let's try it. This one should be spicy since it has the juice. Yeah. Almost died there. No. That was shitty. Next. Okay, so this one is hot and spicy with beef. I mean, it smells pretty spicy. So far, those haven't been spicy, and this one made me cough right now, so see how this goes. That one's spicier than those, but it's still not spicy. It's like less than mild. Alright, so then let's go ahead and get on with the next one. Hopefully they're not all as crappy. Okay guys, so out of this next one, I think it might be chicken. It's picante chicken, which doesn't even sound hot. It just smells like lemon and pepper. Okay. So let's see what it's like. Wow. That wasn't hot at all. But so far, this is the best one. I'm gonna eat this and I'll be back because this is really good. Alright guys, so y'all thought that this was everything that I was gonna eat. So far, none of them were spicy, like at all. It tasted like nothing. But now I'm gonna eat the few peppers that I have in my house that I can find. So the first one is gonna be jalapeno. So I got the jalapeno. This thing's huge, like that's like 3 fingers or 2 fingers. This thing's big. I'm gonna take a bite out of this and then figure out a way to use it, because then it's just going to waste. So let's see how this goes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. What the f? This freaking burns. This is the worst video idea ever. It's straight up burning the shit out of my... I'm not gonna talk. It's making it worse. Worst challenge idea ever. I got these habanero chili peppers. This is gonna kill me, literally. It says 150 to 300,000 Scoville units. I'm gonna look up what jalapenos are. What is the SHU of jalapenos? So it's 150 to 300,000. Okay, so a jalapeno is 2,500 to 8,000. And I reacted like that. That thing's hot. This is 150 to 300,000. That's gonna kill me. Literally. I'm not gonna do the rest. I'm gonna die. Oh, Serrano. No, this is Serrano. It says 8,000 to 22,000. So this thing is 25 to 8,000, and this is 8,000 to 20,000. And then I have this one, which is, I don't know, let me see. Oh, something tree, but it's in Spanish. This thing is 15,000 to 30,000. There's no way I'm gonna eat that. That's twice as hot as a jalapeno. Holy crap. And this thing's like 50 times hotter than a jalapeno. Oh, wild. Never mind. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the video off here. I know I was kind of being a little girl with the jalapeno. Oh. Dang. Okay, I touched my eye. And I didn't wash my hands, and my eye is burning. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave some feedback or any videos y'all would like to see. Right now, I'm kind of like out of it. My eye's burning. Make sure y'all subscribe. And y'all have a great day. Peace.